Hi everyone, in today's video we will be checking out the JISULIFE Pro1S handheld fan. In this first-hand unboxing video, we check out the actual fan in action to see what it looks, feel and what it has to offer. Let us check out what is inside the box. Inside the box, users will find a charging cable which users can use to recharge up their device when you need to. There is also a JISULIFE Pro1S handheld fan within it to utilize when I am hot. Also included is a pack of accessories to accompany the JISULIFE Pro1S device. Now let's have a first-hand look at the JISULIFE Pro1S to see it in action. Here we have it fresh out of the box. We can find a USB-C power port to recharge up the fan, along with a switch to power on and off the fan. There is also a scroll wheel which you can use to set the fan speed. Scroll up and down to adjust the fan speed to increase or decrease the fan speed. The wind speed can reach up to 9 ms, which is pretty impressive at full max speed. As you can see in this visual demo, the wind speed is powerful at max speed and the force exerted by the wind generated places pressure on the paper towel. Good wind energy. The 1.5 hour lightning fast charging allows for 18-watt fast charging. Quickly recharge up on the go and enjoy the breeze. There is up to 15 hours of powerful battery life, effortlessly lasts the whole day on full charge based on specifications. It is also very quiet when running too, something I like most. Great! The battery percentage can also be revealed when the fan is on standby. The LED display looks great and modern designed. The fan blade is also hidden, allowing for better sound reduction and safety, as I can enjoy the breeze without much noise from the motor or fan. It has metallic texture design which makes it look and feel really stylish and great to bring around for my activities to cool myself down when the weather is hot. If you want to find out more about what the JISULIFE Pro1S handheld fan can offer, find out more with the link in description. Thank you for watching.